Hello, students. Let's study a very interesting story, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. This story by William Saroyan is a tale of childhood innocence, adventure, and moral dilemma set against the backdrop of the Garoglanian tribe's strong code of honesty. Firstly, let's discuss some key points of the story. The narrator reflects on his family's reputation for honesty and their poverty stricken circumstances. Despite the family's poverty, the narrator cannot bring himself to believe that Moirad has stolen the horse, even though the evidence suggests it. His cousin Moirad, known for his adventurous nature, appears with a beautiful white horse, leading the narrator to question how they could afford it. Moirad's unexpected arrival with the horse sets the stage for the moral conflict that follows throughout the story. The adventure begins. Moirad invites the narrator to join him for a ride, and the two boys set off on the horse, taking full advantage of its beauty and speed. The countryside around their home is rich and picturesque, and they enjoy the freedom that comes with riding the horse. Moirad is portrayed as an enthusiastic and carefree character, often singing and embracing the joy of the moment. The narrator's family is depicted as strange, with Uncle Khosrove being the most emotional member. Uncle Khosrove's larger-than-life personality and his famous phrase, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it," reflect the absurd approach to life that the family embraces. Despite the theft of the horse, the family is unwilling to acknowledge the seriousness of the situation. As the boys continue to ride the horse, they begin to realize the moral implications of their actions. The farmer John Byro, whose horse has been stolen, expresses his suspicions but also acknowledges the Garoglanian family's reputation for honesty. When he mentions the stolen horse, the narrator feels conflicted, but Moirad reassures him that the horse will eventually be returned. They hide the horse, waiting for the right moment to return it. After weeks of hiding and riding the horse, the boys finally decide to return it to John Byro. Moirad uses his charm and a deep connection with animals to guide the horse back to its rightful owner. When John Byro recognizes his horse but acknowledges the Garoglanian family's honesty, the boys quietly return the horse without any further confrontation. The story ends with the boys returning the horse, and the narrator reflecting on the complex mix of adventure, fantasy, and morality. Although the boys' actions were technically wrong, they were guided by their love for horses and their youthful innocence. The story highlights themes of childhood, the innocence of first adventures, and the importance of family values, all while maintaining a sense of humor about life's contradictions. The central theme of the story is the contrast between childhood innocence and adult concepts of right and wrong. It also explores themes of family honor, the innocence of youth, and the complexity of moral decisions. The story presents moral conflicts in a thorough manner, showing how right and wrong aren't always clearly defined, especially through a child's point of view. The story conveys that, while youthful actions may seem morally ambiguous, they are often driven by innocence and the desire for adventure. It also highlights the importance of family reputation and the humorous, sometimes weird, ways in which family members react to difficult situations. We hope that you have understood the topic. To watch more videos and study effectively, check out the Eduref app and website.